Good morning, medical fans. Today's video is about the tallest wrestler of all time. His name was Gargantua. I'm Watson, your resident giant expert, and this is Bizarre Medical. Born Kurt Zia on January 12, 1913, Gargantua had the tallest build height of any wrestler in history. Promoters claimed that he was 8 foot 4 inches tall. You're watching some rare video footage of him wrestling at Royal Albert Hall. Of course, in typical wrestling fashion, his height and weight were extremely exaggerated. Those same promoters also said he weighed 50 stone, and that translates to about 700 pounds. And most people would argue that he was nowhere near 700 pounds. The Gargantuan Man was brought to the US after World War II by wrestling agents in an effort to help revive the aging business. However, the legend of Gargantua began during World War II, where he was known as Germany's largest soldier. After the war, he worked in various professions, but wrestling wound up being his calling.
Gargantua can stand so much and no more before he loses his patience, and Strangler nearly loses his head. I'll huff and I'll puff and blow me down, he won't go down.
Various websites and publications have estimated his real height to be somewhere around the 7'2" mark. That puts him below Giant Gonzalez in actual height, but slightly taller than the Big Show, Khali, and even Andre the Giant's estimated true height. What do you think? Was he taller than Andre? Leave us a comment below. Which giant wrestler should we cover next? Another man billed at 8 foot tall is Silo Sam. Would you like to see more about Big Sam? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got new videos all the time. Adios.
I would like to tell you about Rest More, an all-natural sleep aid designed to help you fall asleep and stay asleep. If you're looking for a great natural way to get better quality sleep, please visit buyrestmore.com. Thanks for watching. There's an Amazon link below.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Took it today, right?
Yes.
All right, okay, so tell me what you just told me, just like spontaneously here, no rehearsal.
Well, when I told my wife that, and she didn't believe me, but I told her, I said, in the morning sometimes I'm dragging and I have it on my desk at work, and I take it, and an hour later, I'm wired up. It doesn't make me jittery, just gives you a lot of energy.
You're just ready to go, right?
My boss is like, what the hell did you take?
Oh, that's fantastic. And we're talking about Meta 7, right?
Yes, sir, Meta 7.
All right, and you recommend it for your friends?
I really do.
How long have you been taking it now?
About a year.
Yeah, it's a good product, isn't it?
Yes,
so you were one of those that got to take it before we had it in the
redone.
before we had it manufactured.
Yeah.
Man, hey, I appreciate you letting me make a little video.
No problem.